Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Summertime is almost here in the desert Southwest, and everyone knows it's going to be getting hot outside.
But what you may not know is that as hot as it gets, there are still some very colorful plants for your landscape. So today, we're going to talk about some of the colorful plants that love the heat.
Let's start with the seasonal bedding color that goes well in summer flower beds or in containers to dress up your patio or pool area. There are some great color items like vinca or periwinkle, pentas or star flowers, celosia, alyssum, and portulaca or moss rose. These plants are good in group plantings that add a big splash of color to your outdoor living area.
There are some low-growing perennial plants that also do well in containers or as ground covers. Things such as gazania, ice plant, lantana, verbena are just a few of the flowering plants that love the heat. And don't forget about these excellent accent plants that love the sun: blanket flower, black-eyed Susan, germander, penstemon, salvia, dusty miller, and the bush morning glory. Some other great accent flowering shrubs for your yard are Euryopsis daisy, crepe myrtle, and butterfly bush.
And of course, there are the more traditional desert color plants like autumn sage, Baja fairy duster, red yucca, Texas rangers, and the desert birds of paradise. For those of you who would like a little more tropical look to your yard, there are hibiscus and bougainvilleas. Although these don't like our cold winters, they make great seasonal color items for the summer months. There are also some flowering vines that love the heat, like campsis or trumpet creeper, and the family of tacomas like Cape honeysuckle, orange jubilee, and yellow bells.
Even some of the trees that shade us from the brutal sun can be very colorful. The albizia, or mimosa tree, has a spreading canopy with pink powder puff flowers. The pink Don Jatolpa always seems to be in color during the warm weather, as is the desert willow and the vitex, or chase tree. As you can see, there are lots of options for summer color in your yard, so check it out. For more information on plants for hot and dry climates, see our free Star Note 530 available at starnursery.com.
While you're there, check out this week's specials featuring 5-gallon shrubs starting at just $9.88 each.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Head into your local Star Nursery to purchase your house call.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.